Today we're visiting the beautiful city of Copenhagen in Denmark. In the backyard of one of the villas, Vibeke Møller, a psychologist in private practice, has a cosy orangery which serves as her practice. Vibeke has had a wood-burning stove installed to heat the orangery.
Obviously, it's a glass house, which makes it chilly to stay out here during the winter. So I need to have a heat source if I'm going to work here. So I got a wood-burning stove, and I light a fire a few hours before I'm going to work.
Vibeke enjoys her wood-burning stove, but she's also aware of the issue of particle emission.
I live in the middle of a residential area, and therefore I must take my neighbours into consideration, both in terms of flue gases and the particles that are released from the wood-burning stove. Therefore, I put a great deal of effort in finding a particle filter with an integrated chimney fan that could reduce the particle both inside and at the top of the chimney.
Exodraft's filter removes up to 95% of harmful fine and ultrafine particles from the flue gas of wood burning.
I've been waiting to purchase this filter. It was made available for purchase in 2022, and I have been a little impatient for you to start selling it. Therefore, I was very happy to get it installed. Now I can feel good when I'm starting a fire.
The filter is installed on top of the chimney. The installation took only an hour, and the wood-burning stove was ready for use immediately afterwards. Now Vibeke can use her wood-burning stove without worrying about particle emissions it produces.
I can see that the fire is burning better now, because there is sufficient draft in the chimney. Starting the fire is much easier as well. And I experience no smoke escaping into the orangery, resulting in much less odour nuisance from the stove. So it has really been easier in every sense since I got it. And as for emissions, I can tell that there is hardly anything to see when looking at the top of the chimney.
Vibeke is so pleased with the filter, she's also planning to install a particle filter on her other chimney as well.
In the previous month, we experienced a power cut, and then our gas furnace stopped working. So, what is the best way to secure yourself? If one way doesn't work, then buying a wood-burning stove as a backup might be a good solution. Clearly, it would provide extra security for us to keep warm, and I think it is important when investing in a new wood stove that it is done appropriately, and with respects towards the climate. It's no good being too selfish about it. So I am really looking forward to getting a particle filter installed on the other chimney as well.
A particle filter from Exodraft contributes to a significant reduction in harmful particles and makes the wood-burning stove an even more eco- and CO2-friendly heat source. Visit woodstovefilter.co.uk and learn more about our particle filter.